Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to build Tesseract OCR 3.05 from source using Cygwin on Windows. The reason to choose Cygwin is all the required libraries are already available in Cygwin, so it will be easier and quicker to build Tesseract from source with the help of Cygwin. With the help of Cygwin, you don't need to build and compile all the required libraries on your own, as all those libraries, all those packages which are required to build the Tesseract from source are already available in Cygwin. On the screen, as you can see, I have listed down all the required steps that we need to follow to build the Tesseract from source. To create this video, to create these steps, I have utilized these two URLs. So by taking the reference of these two URLs, I have created all these steps over here. Now let's see all the required steps one by one. So first we will review those steps and then we will see the practical. The very first step is install the required software and then install the required libraries. As I have mentioned, we will proceed with Cygwin. So first of all, you need to download and install Cygwin. While you are working on installing the Cygwin, you will need to select Base, Dell, and Graphics packages to be installed. These three packages will include all the required libraries to build Tesseract from source. Required libraries will be like Cairo, Pengo, ICU, Automake, GCC, etc. With the installation of all these required packages, you also need to search for Leptonica and you need to tick the required checkboxes with latest version of Leptonica and Leptonica Devil. So these two libraries we will require as well. Once the Cygwin has been installed with all the required libraries and packages, the next step is to open the Cygwin terminal and then we need to follow other steps. After you open the Cygwin terminal, the next step is to clone the required Git repository. So in our case, we are going to build Tesseract OCR 3.05 from source. Hence, we are going to clone this particular branch of Tesseract. Once you have cloned this particular branch, you will get a folder named Tesseract. So you need to go to that particular folder Tesseract, and then from that Tesseract, you need to follow this particular commands. So once you have stepped in the Tesseract folder, you need to execute these particular commands one by one. Once you have successfully executed all these commands, Tesseract will be available in your Cygwin folder in your Cygwin directory. Now, where will be the location where you will find the tesseract.exe, that we will see. But this Tesseract executable for Windows will be available within Cygwin directory, within Cygwin folder. As we are building Tesseract with training tools, what we need to do is we need to download specific language data, specific language train data to the particular location. So that location will be user local share test data, and this location will remain same in most of the cases until and unless you have not changed the path. Okay, and once we have downloaded and put the required train data of particular language, we are ready to test Tesseract OCR. One thing that you need to see is after you have successfully built Tesseract OCR with Cygwin and that Tesseract executables are available within Tesseract directory, you need to put two paths in your path environment variables of Windows. The two path will be, one is this C Cygwin 64 bin. So that will be the path of DLL files of Cygwin, because without this particular path, Tesseract will not work. So this will be the first path, and this particular C is because I have installed Cygwin in my C directory, but if you have installed Cygwin in any other directory, then this path will be vary. Next thing that you need to do is you need to add this particular path, C Cygwin64 user local bin. So this will be the location where you will be able to find your Tesseract executable, such that tesseract.exe. Again, if you have changed the installation path of Cygwin, in that case this path will be vary. But this particular path, user local bin, will remain constant, will remain same until and unless you have changed the installation path of Tesseract. And once you have added these two paths in your path environment variable, you are ready to paste Tesseract OCR. So now let's go to the first step, that is to install Cygwin on Windows. So I will go to Chrome and search Cygwin over here. Yeah, and going to this Cygwin installation link over here, I have got Windows 64 architecture, hence I'm going to use this particular link to download Cygwin for my Windows architecture. Okay, once I have downloaded the exe file, I will execute it. Okay, next, install from internet. Next, over here I have put root directory as C:/Cygwin64, so I will put it as it is. But in case if you want to install Cygwin on any other directory, on any other drive, you can do that. Okay, next, I will put it as it is. Okay, I will put it as it is. Over here we need to select a mirror or a server from which Cygwin is going to download required packages, all the required libraries. So make sure you choose the server, you choose the mirror wisely, because if you have chosen any wrong server, in that case the download speed will be very slow, and in that case you will need to wait much more time to complete the downloading and installation part in the Cygwin. So over here I'm going to use this particular URL, and then next from here, as I have mentioned, we need to install one. First is base package, so I will make it install. Then table package, so I will make it install. Next is graphics, so I will make it install. Apart from it, I also need to install Leptonica, so I will search for it. Okay, over here what I will do is I will install this Leptonica Devil, the latest version, as well as I will install this Leptonica latest version. Okay, and just I will click on this SRC, and yeah, that's it. I will click on next and then next. Now as you can see that Cygwin has started downloading and installing all the required libraries, all the required packages that we have selected. So over here we need to wait for few minutes or few hours till all the downloading completes and Cygwin install all the required libraries, all the required packages. So over here we will wait for a few hours and then we will proceed. As you can see that now the downloading and the installation process from Cygwin has been completed. So I will click on finish. Also, this task has taken around 3 hours to complete. Second thing, while Cygwin is installing libraries, if you are getting any error related to some .dll files not found, you can ignore those errors and proceed. So there is no issue if you ignore those .dll files not found error. You can proceed with missing.dll files. Now you can see the tagline of Cygwin, that get that Linux feeling on Windows. Okay, so let's see the Cygwin folder. So my Cygwin installation location is C drive. So I will go to the C drive. Over here you can see this Cygwin64 named folder. So we will go to this particular folder, and over here we have got Linux folders architecture. We have got different folders which are available in Linux operating systems like Bean, Dev, etc, Home, Lib. So all these folders are part of Linux OS, and the same folders, same Linux mechanism we are able to get on Windows using Cygwin, and hence it is easy and quick to build Tesseract OCR with all the required libraries on Cygwin. Next step that I'm going to do is I will open Cygwin terminal. Okay, so I will open this Cygwin terminal. Over here, my present working directory is home Nayan. So this home Nayan you can find over here in C drive Cygwin 64 folder. Within that this home folder and then Nayan folder. So this is your Cygwin installation directory, and then within that Cygwin directory you can go to this home and whatever your username in that particular folder. Next step is to clone the repository. So as we want to build Tesseract 3.05, so I will clone that particular branch and we'll paste it over here. So you can change the location, change this folder. Once as the cloning part has been completed, the next step is go to the Tesseract directory. Shift insert is the command to copy paste the copied command. Okay, now I am in this Tesseract directory. Then next step is execute this command /autogen.sh. So again, I will paste this command and execute it. Over here, we will wait for a few minutes till the execution completes. Once the execution of the command has been completed, we will execute the next command. So that is configure. So I will copy and paste this command. Again, we will wait for a few minutes till the execution of this command completes. The execution of configure command has been completed. Now we will execute the next command, that is make. So make, and I will execute this command. Again, we will wait for a few minutes till the execution of make command completes. The execution of make command has been completed. So now we will execute this command make install. So I will copy and paste this command, and again we will wait for a few minutes. Now after the execution of this make install command, we will execute this make training command. Again, Tesseract has been built successfully. Over here, now we are building training tools. So that's where we need to execute this make training command. And after make training command, we need to execute make training install. So it will install training tools. The execution of make install command has been completed. Now we will execute the last command, make training install. So I will copy and paste the command over here and we'll execute it. The last and final command execution has been completed successfully. Now we have successfully built the Tesseract OCR 3.05 from source as well as its training tools. Now we will move towards the next step. So the next step is download required train data files. So for that purpose, I will move towards this particular location. I will copy this and paste it over here. So now I am in user local shared test data directory. Now what I will do is I will execute this command wget but without sudo, because on Cygwin you will get most of the Linux facilities. You will be able to run most of the Linux commands except sudo install kind of commands. Okay, so I will paste it over here and we will get English train data file over here in this particular test data directory. So now if I say ls, so you can see that this English train data file is available over here. I have downloaded English train data file from this particular URL. So if you want to get another language train data files as well, so for that you need to go to this particular URL or repository. So I will go to this URL. Okay, from over here I will go to the last portion of the page. Over here you can see that test data for the version 3.04 or 3.05. Okay, so get language data files for Tesseract 3.04 3.05 from this particular URL. So we will go to this URL. As you can see that we have got all the different languages train data files over here. So in case if you want to download any other language train data file, so what you need to do is you just need to replace the name over here. Like instead of ENG, that stands for English, let's say if I want to download this bel.trained data, so in that case what I need to do is I will use the same command over here, but instead of ENG I will say bel and enter. So it will download this mel.train data file. So it will download that particular language train data file. Okay, and now you can see that we have got this mel.train data and eng.train data files. Next step is put the .dll folder into the path environment variable as well as tesseract executables folder or location to the path environment variable. So now why it is required? So for example, at present, if I say tesseract over here, you can see that we have got this different options that we can utilize with tesseract. Now, if I'm going to do the same thing with the help of command line, so cmd terminal, okay, now if I execute the same tesseract command, so it will say that tesseract is not recognized as an internal or external command. I will check that where is my tesseract executable. So for that, what I will do is I will go to the Cygwin terminal over here. I will say which is tesseract, which tesseract, that is the command I need to use. So you can see that the directory where tesseract executables can be found is user local bin tesseract. So I will go to that particular directory, user local bin, and over here you can find this tesseract executables file. Again, if I open command prompt over here, now if I execute tesseract command again, you can see that I will get an error like the code execution cannot proceed because cygwin.dll was not found. Okay, so now to overcome this .dll not found issue and tesseract is not recognized as an internal or external command, we need to add these two different path .dll folder path and this user local bin path to the path environment variable. So that I will do it. I will open environment variables section. Over here in this path, what I will do is see cygwin64 bin. So this is the path where I have installed Cygwin, and within that Cygwin installation path, within that bin folder, I will get all the required .dll files. So that I will add it over here. Next is C Cygwin64 user local bin. So this is the path, this is the folder where I will get tesseract executables. So I will add it over here as well. Again, make sure that this path matches with the path where you have installed Cygwin and where you have installed tesseract while building it from the source. So once we have put these bin folders into the path environment variables, now let's execute this tesseract command again. Now if I execute tesseract, you can see that we have got all the different options available with tesseract OCR. Next, I will execute this command tesseract my test file name, that is test.png, and I want the extracted text on terminal itself. Okay, and you can see that hello, how are you? That is the text that the test.png image contains. So we have extracted the text successfully from the image. So you can verify it over here as well. So this is the test.png image containing hello, how are you text, and when we have executed this command tesseract test png std out, it will extract that particular text successfully from test png image. So this is how you can build tesseract OCR and its training tools with the help of Cygwin on Windows. One more thing that I would like to show is tesseract is already available as a library, as a package in Cygwin. So let me show that to you. So for that I need to re-execute Cygwin installation file. So cygwin.exe that I need to re-execute. So please make a note that whenever you want to install any library, any package in Cygwin, you need to re-execute its installation file such that it's exe file, and there is no another way through which you can install any other library or any other package. So you need to re-execute its exe or executable file again. Okay, so over here I will select view equal to full. Okay, and over here I will say tesseract, and you can see that tesseract devel, tesseract OCR3, tesseract OCR4. So all these libraries, all these packages are available in Cygwin. But for today, we are not going to talk about it. We are not going to see them. But for today, that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.